Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are make realistic shadow integration with Blendif. When adding objects, the shadow placement often looks fake. Blendif helps the window shadow melt perfectly into the background. Create a shadow layer using a soft black brush. Open layer style and move the underlying layer highlight slider. This allows bright ground highlight to shine through the shadow. It makes the shadow appear naturally observed by the surface. Split slider for smooth transition, reduce opacity and soften edges for realism. Now add a blur filter if needed. A subtle tweak makes the shadow believable immediately.